One of the things we'll do today is to let you understand why we are here. And we are here, we want to make infrastructure happen in Africa. Generally, as a user of various project finance tools and mechanics, it's quite important for us to see the fact that at times you wonder why we keep talking about infrastructure gap in Africa. However, who is going to meet that gap? Who is going to fulfill that gap? Project financing is basically a way in which lenders mobilize large-scale capital. And they've seen that time and time again, when funding is mobilized in a large scale and it sits on the balance sheet of the corporate entity, there are issues related to leverage. It becomes difficult for that corporate entity to be able to achieve additional financing resources. And this is as a result of the fact that Africa requires over $180 billion annually to be able to move its infrastructure deficits. A number of organizations are not able to do this only because they don't have the capacity and they've not built the right capacity to get things done. So when we go around to raise capital, we are putting it in your hands. And the next important thing is to understand that promoting value creation through sustainable development goals is key. A key distinction in corporate finance versus project finance is the fact that the form of security being provided in corporate finance goes beyond the cash flows of the project, goes beyond the pledge asset of the project. Wherever the project is frustrated, maybe having challenges, making payment defaults, the promoters of the project will have to pay beyond the equity they provided, find ways and means to ensure the loan is repaid. There is need for us to accelerate large-scale infrastructure projects. Hence, we decided to create a new niche that allows us to do two things: work with young developers like yourselves or project finance executives and see how your projects can go to the next level. Why are most projects, when you sit down, they are always having debt finance, mezzanine finance, capital market, and most investors want to talk to you whenever you are in the construction, commissioning, or operation stage. They don't want to talk to you here. They don't want to hear what you're saying because they believe your project is early stage. We have designed the Africa Entrepreneurs Program to deal with these early stage issues. And that's why you're here.